Good morning, class. Today we will discuss exercise 2E. Some questions. Question number 1 part, there are 6 parts A, B, C, D, E, F, and question number 2 A, B, C, D, E. And homework, solve exercise 2 in notebook. Let's start exercise 2E. Question number 1, give the absolute value of each of the following. A part is 5 upon 13, that is absolute value of 5 upon 13 is equal to 5 upon 13 in vertical lines, that is absolute value is equal to 5 upon 13. B part is minus 17 upon 12. So find absolute value of minus 17 upon 12 is equal to minus 17 upon 12 in vertical lines, and we will remove the negative sign. Then we will find the answer is minus 17 upon 12. That is the absolute value of minus 17 upon 12. C part is absolute value of minus 1. Then minus 1 we will get minus 1 in vertical lines. Then the answer is plus 1, means we will remove the negative sign. And D part is absolute value of 0. So always 0 absolute value is 0. E part is absolute value of minus 18 upon 19 is equal to minus 18 upon 19 in vertical lines, and that is equal to minus 18 upon 19. We will remove here negative sign. F part is absolute value of 8 upon minus 5 is equal to 8 upon minus 5 in vertical lines, and that is equal to 8 upon 5. So this is the absolute value of 8 upon minus 5. Question number 2 is verify that minus x in vertical lines, or we can say absolute value of minus x is equal to x in vertical lines, that is absolute value of x for the following value of x. Here A part is minus 2 upon 5, that is x is equal to minus 2 upon 5, and we will put this value in this expression, that is given that minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical line. So we will put the value of x here, minus in bracket minus 2 upon 5 in vertical lines is equal to minus 2 upon 5. We will find in the value of both term, that is 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. Hence verified minus x in vertical lines is equal to x. B point is 5 upon minus 11 is equal to x is equal to 5 upon minus 11, given that minus x in vertical line, or we is equal to x in vertical lines, or we can say absolute value of minus x is equal to absolute value of x. So we will put this value in this expression, that is minus bracket 5 upon minus 11 in bracket that is in vertical lines is equal to 5 upon minus 11 in vertical lines, and then we will find the value of 5 upon 11 is equal to 5 upon 11. Hence verified minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical lines. C part is 4 upon 7, that is x is equal to 4 upon 7, and given that minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical lines, or we can say absolute value of minus x is equal to absolute value of x, and we will put here the value of x, that is minus 4 upon 7 in vertical lines is equal to 4 upon 7 in vertical line, and we will get the answer 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 upon 7. Hence verified minus x in vertical line is equal to x in vertical lines. D part is minus 19 upon minus 25, that is x is equal to minus 19 upon minus 25. We will cut minus sign in both numerator and denominator, and the value of x is equal to 19 upon 25, and given that minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical line, and we will put here the value of x, that is minus 19 upon 25 in vertical lines is equal to 19 upon 25 in vertical lines, and the answer is 19 upon 25 is equal to 19 upon 25. Hence verified minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical lines, or we can say absolute value of minus x is equal to absolute value of x. And there is the e part, last part, 0 upon minus 8, 0 upon minus 8, that is x is equal to 0 upon minus 8, and the answer is the 0. So always 0 is the absolute value of 0. So we will find the value of 0, hence the verified minus x in vertical lines is equal to x in vertical lines, and or we can say absolute value of minus x is equal to absolute value of x.